This is a BushingFix.com installation video for the GM1 kit, which fits several vehicles according to the list on our website. The original cable end looks like this, and it comes in two pieces that are clipped together, the main body, and there's an insert. And that insert has a metal spring clip in it, and we'll need that spring clip later. Depending on how your cable end has broken, you'll need to cut out the center section of the main body. You can use a small set of side cutters to do this, and you'll need to make about 3 cuts to do it. And once you've got that center section out, it probably won't be perfectly flat, so you'll need to file down the little edges there in order for the bushing to fit. Test fit the bushing as you go, and on this cable I noticed there was a piece of plastic that was deflected from when I made one of the cuts, and I just removed it with some pliers there. After test fitting the bushing, check and see that the lever protrudes far enough through the bushing that you can get the clip on, and if it doesn't, you may need to file off the little piece that protrudes from the main body. Just as a side note, you don't need to remove the lever from the vehicle to do this. You can test fit everything on the vehicle. After a little bit of filing to where it's about flush, you should be able to put the bushing in and put everything over the shift lever, and the shift lever will protrude through the bushing enough that the notch comes through far enough that you can get the metal spring clip into place. If the retainer for your spring clip isn't damaged, you can get the spring clip out by using a pocket screwdriver and just pressing it out far enough that you can put the screwdriver in there and pull it out the rest of the way. The spring clip ideally presses over the top of the pin, but it's easiest to get one of the legs of the spring clip into the groove first. Once you've got one leg in, you can press the other leg down with the screwdriver. And this requires less force and more patience. If you're just patient with it, it'll go in pretty easily. Once it's in, be sure everything pivots nicely. Shift the vehicle back and forth to be sure everything is installed correctly, and that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching.